welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at a product that's a game changer for anyone who works remotely or on the go. It's the Native Union Fold Laptop Stand, and it's designed to make your workday more comfortable and productive no matter where you are. This laptop stand is compact, foldable, and portable. It's a sleek linear structure that props up your laptop or tablet at a comfortable tilt. This design is not just about comfort, it's also about enhancing your posture and productivity. Plus, it ensures constant airflow to your device, which is crucial for maintaining its performance. So long are the days of bulky, cumbersome, and ugly laptop stands. Let's talk about some of its key features. The first one being ergonomic design. The stand offers an optimized 14-degree viewing angle. This elevated design reduces the strain on your neck and back during long work hours. I've been using it in my current workstation for things like video editing and script writing. Portability. The lightweight and ultra slim form of the stand means you can fold it flat and carry it with you wherever your devices go. I've personally been using this during my travels during the past 3 months, and its slim design made it so easy for me to store it in my carry-on. Durability. It's crafted with strong aluminum and non-slip silicone padding for enhanced stability, so you don't really have to worry about your laptop sliding off tables. In terms of real-world use, the folding hinges on the bottom and top are dampened and is smooth in execution, and I think that's what you're really paying for opposed to other alternatives in the market. The fourth point is versatility. This sleek cross structure works with all laptops and tablets. Whether you're using a 13 to 16 inch laptop or even a 10.2 to 16 inch tablet, this stand has got you covered. It can hold up to 3 kilograms. So who is this really for? I would say it's for someone who's constantly working on their laptops, whether at home, in a cafe, or traveling. And for those people, I would say the Native Union Fold Laptop Stand is a must-have. It's really all about making your work experience more comfortable and efficient in the most simple package. And that's going to be it for today's review. If you're interested in the Native Union Fold Laptop Stand, you can check it out now on brandswalk.com. The links will all be in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.